it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today, guys, it's just gonna be a random vlog. I don't know what day of Vlogmas this is gonna be, but I decided I'm just gonna pick up the camera and we just gonna roll with the punches, okay? Ain't doing nothing specific. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and comment down below, how is your Vlogmas going? I know I have never been this consistent before, and my battery is about to die, but I'm proud that I'm still going. And if you're doing Vlogmas, kudos to you as well. So let me change my battery and I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm back. I feel like there's no good lighting in the kitchen area, but it's fine. So I just dropped stuff. Anyway, so I am juicing right now. Let me show y'all. I am juicing for a customer. I have a juicing page. I know I haven't been really consistent with posting, but I'll put the screenshot of my juicing page here. But I am juicing right now and I'm about to finish. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Oh, pro tip, if y'all ever juice turmeric and it get on your counters and stuff, wipe it with bleach immediately and it'll come right out. And for your juice and stuff, use bleach. It's gonna turn red and it's gonna come right off. So that's just a pro tip. So this is the turmeric, ginger, lemon. So this is what I'm gonna use so I can pour it into the shot bottles easily. So now I'm gonna soak this in bleach. Alright, I'm done juicing. I have a pineapple. I'm trying to decide if I should juice the pineapple or should I just cut it up and put honey on it, because it's good for cough. Anyways, I'm about to make some jarred elderberries. This is also linked in my Amazon storefront. If y'all want to make your own elderberry, I can't get this open. Okay, so I made elderberry on my channel before. I'll put the end card there so y'all can see. But y'all, making your own elderberry is literally cheaper to make at home. Like, I know it takes time to do, but of course convenience comes with a price, so it's going to be more expensive if you buy it in the store. But you know, that's what they don't want us to know. They don't want us to know that we can make it ourselves for cheaper. Okay, so this is it's 16 ounces and you need, it's a 1:4 ratio. So I believe it's been a minute since I made it, but with this ratio, I believe that makes 32 ounces of elderberry, which will last for a long time. And this is only $23, so I can make like 4 32 ounces of elderberry. And you know how much it will cost you if you buy it in the store? Probably like $100 and something, because they sell the little 8 or 16 ounces for like $25. You can make it yourself and it's gonna come out cheaper if you make it yourself. So anyways, I'm rambling, but I'm going to show y'all all my ingredients. So this time I'm just gonna do last time I just did cinnamon and ginger, but now I saw about this herb, so I'm gonna put this in there, star anise. I wanted to try cloves too, but they didn't have any. So I'm just gonna put cinnamon, star anise, the ginger. I have more ginger, I don't know where I put it, and that. So I'm about to make the elderberry, and yeah, I'll come back when I'm done. Oh, and honey, of course. So you need some raw honey. Oh, you need some raw honey. Where the other one? Because that's not gonna be enough. Oh, here's the other one. This is some more raw honey. So you want to use some raw honey. If your kids are under the age of 1, you can't use elderberry because they're not supposed to have raw honey. So yeah, but yeah, let me go ahead and make this elderberry real quick, and I'll come back when I'm almost done. Y'all, do y'all kids love being outside but you don't? She keep going to the balcony door. Well, it's not, the sun not beaming. You didn't bring your toys?
Yeah.
Where your baby? Go get your baby. Where your baby? Beach? You haven't been to the beach in a long time. Let me wipe your nose. We might go for a walk later. I always say that and then sometimes I don't go. I'll chill outside until the elderberry is done. And I got me some leftover shrimp scampi. This is leftovers from the day before, but honey, I ain't wasting it. And we eating leftovers tonight. I'm tired of wasting food. So what I do now, I try to cook food at least for 2 days that we eat twice, and I'm not cooking nothing until it's gone. Because food is too high for it to go to waste. You want some? She don't even eat pasta, but let's see if she'll eat it. What, are you eating it? She only eating it because I'm eating it. She's seeing me eating it. You want more? I feel like I'm getting sick with her because my nose. Child, let me find out if Malia like shrimp scampi. I'll be making it all the time, for real, for her. But I'm gonna finish eating and I'll come back later. Alright guys, so the elderberry is done. So it's hot, so I'm gonna pour this in here with the strainer. And of course that will happen. Hold on. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is push everything down. Alright, to make my life easier, I just pour honey right into the container I'm going to use. So it's going to be 8 ounces of honey. I don't know why I thought it fit right into it. Alright, so I'm done with the elderberry. So I'm just gonna give her a dose now and put little mama down for a nap because it's late and I didn't realize how late it is. It's 2:27. So while she take a nap, I need to get some for myself. Down for a nap, and then I am going to edit in peace and catch up on everybody else's vlogs because I be running behind. Yeah, elderberry is done. So I'm gonna close this video out. I'm signing my teeth out. I'm gonna close this video out right here. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.